What is up guys, this is TST Reviews and stuff back here with another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing and initial impressions on the iPad mini 5th gen. So this is the one with the A12 Bionic chip, and also this iPad is not going to be mine, it's my dad's iPad, but since it's not his daily driver, I will also be using this quite often. And since I will be using it, I will also be doing a long-term review, probably a 1 month review on this iPad. So this is the space gray version, which is 64 gigs and the Wi-Fi model. Now, personally, a cellular model is kind of a waste for me because, I mean, that's only worth if you are like traveling a lot and you have to share a lot of emails, documents, and you're on the road all the time. Then the cellular version will be worth it. Otherwise, stick to Wi-Fi only. I think this is going to serve the purpose. Now, this is a 7.9-inch display, so it's going to be a small one. But if you don't like big iPads, you want something a little smaller than something much bigger than your phone, but a lot smaller than your iPad. This is the one that fills that gap. So let's open this up. Unfortunately, they don't have any pull tabs here for some reason. All right, there it is. So here is your iPad mini. Alright, so let's unbox this. Let's see how do we, okay, this is how we do it. Alright, almost got it. And there is your iPad mini. So let's take this out. And it is really small and light actually. Okay, it's not super light, but it's definitely a lot lighter than, let's say, your standard iPad like the 8th gen or something like that, even the Air. So that's nice. We'll keep that here. And let's see, you have your lightning to USB A. Unfortunately, I wish they actually gave USB-C. That would have been a lot better, but it is what it is. Let's keep this back in. Okay. It says designed by Apple in California. Let's see what else do you have in here. Okay. Your iPad mini guide, and you have your stickers. Let's put this back in. Okay. So here you have your charging brick. How do you take this? Okay, there it is. So basically, you just snap this in, just like that. And let's see what's the. This is a 10-watt charger, not a very fast charger. Okay. And here's a USB A. Alright, let's keep this to the side and let's take a look at your iPad mini. So let's take this video. So right off the bat, it feels really nice. It is small, it is handy, like not really handy, but I mean, yeah, comparatively it's a lot more compact, and it feels really nice, really premium. So this is your home button, which has a touch ID embedded in it, and you have your power button here. your volume rockers. Let me just focus here. All right, let's see, at the bottom you have your lightning port and you have your speakers. Nothing on this side, and this is your headphone jack. Nice to see that. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now let's turn this thing on. All right, so this thing is booting up, and this also has a pixel density of 326 ppi. And I'm not really sure about the resolution. They're kind of weird numbers. I'll just write it on the screen, as you can see. So here it is. Let's see how we set this up. Go to English and just go for your country, India. There it is. All right, so set up manually, continue. Alright, sorry guys, I had to cut in between because I had to connect this iPad to the Wi-Fi, because if I didn't, then it wouldn't go any further. So I set this iPad up and it's just, I mean, it's smooth, and yeah, it'll be pretty fun to use this. And also, since this is an A12 Bionic powered iPad mini, so this will definitely perform really well when it comes to gaming, and also when it comes to editing your videos on this. Now for video editing, I feel that this might be a little too small, but if you don't really care, if you just want something a little smaller, or maybe you want to consume a lot of content, then definitely the iPad mini is a great choice. And also, as you can see, this still rocks with the original the design with thick bezels at top and bottom with the Touch ID. I hope Apple introduces the same design language with the iPad mini, just the way they did it with the iPad Air, and hopefully they'll do the same thing with the standard iPad. But yes, compared to the previous generation, this should be a beast, and I just can't wait to actually use this a lot, and especially while playing games. And also, you can actually use this as your laptop by just connecting your keyboard and your mouse. Now I will be doing a full review on this. I will be showing you how to do all that, and it'll be really fun. And so overall, I mean, just the setup process, from setup process to just breezing through the OS, I think this is going to perform really well. And since it's iPad OS, it is really stable, and it's going to get a long-term software support. So that's a really big plus point, especially if you're thinking of getting a new iPad or just a bigger tablet or something like that, but you want that like almost 5 to 6 years of software support, then this is your best bet. And as a matter of fact, any iPad, whichever model you want to, you can just go ahead and get it, and you are going to get a long-term software support, and that's the big advantage over the Android tablets. So like I said, I haven't really used it as of now. I will do a thorough test on this. I will do pretty much everything except for video editing, because I already have a PC. But yes, I'll try to edit this video on iMovie, so we'll see how it performs. But right now guys, this is pretty much it. And if there's something specific that you want to know about this iPad, do let me know down in the comments, so I can actually cover it in my next full review on this iPad. So do stay tuned for this guys, and also stay tuned for any upcoming videos which I will be posting. So guys, that's pretty much it with this setup. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for this full review, and I will be posting this around, I guess, next month. So until then, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you soon. Peace out.